Today, let us see about the retrogressive metamorphosis in Ascidians. Remember that in animal kingdom, only two groups that exhibits this peculiar kind of events occur in its life history. Number one is frog, which is placed in the class Amphibia. Number two is Ascidian, which is kept in the subphylum Urochordata. As the larva of the Ascidian is morphologically similar to the larva of the frog tadpole, hence the name is the tadpole larva. Before going to study the retrogressive metamorphosis in Ascidian, you should gain a little knowledge about the Ascidians. What are Ascidian? Why they are placed in between the subphylum Urochordata and the Tunicata. Ascidians are marine organisms. They are commonly known as the sea squids or the tunicates. When we disturb it, it ejects small amount of water, hence so called the sea squid. In Tamil, it is called Vuti. When the so-called tunicates, its delicate mantle body is enclosed in a cord or tough outer protective covering is known as the test or the tunic, hence so called the tunicates. They are found exclusively in the marine ecosystem, so one cannot found in the terrestrial ecosystem or any other freshwater ecosystem. They exhibit both the primitive and the advanced characters, hence they are placed in the separate subphylum, the Urochordata. They exhibit the primitive characters like the primitive mode of feeding, interfeeding, ciliary feeding, and the mucus feeding. At the same time, the larva of this species shows some cardiac characters. That means it is found only in the larva, not in the adults. The presence of the notochord, the presence of the nerve cord, and the presence of the pharyngeal gill slits. A free-swimming planktonic larva with all essential characters converted into a degenerate, inert, and the sedentary adult. This degeneration in the linguistic known as the retrogressive metamorphosis. So metamorphosis means the radical changes occurs in the life history of an organism. What do you mean by the retrogressive metamorphosis? All the essential characters which lead a successful life of an organism which degenerate when it becomes an adult. This is known as the retrogressive metamorphosis. The retrogressive metamorphosis is characteristic features of Urochordates. Aquatic free-swimming larva with notochord changes into the sedentary non-chordate adult. So this is the larva of the Ascidians. It has a tail. So in the tail, you can see the notochord. It extends through the length of the tail. So in the anterior end, it has the sucker-like structures. Sucker-like structures. This is known as the adhesive papilla. And this is the adult Ascidian. So the identification mark of the Ascidian is the two siphon. They are located at the anterior side. One is the branchial siphon, other is the atrial siphons. What are the salient features of the tadpole larva? It is a marine. It is pelagic in nature. It looks like the frog's tadpole larva. It is about 1 millimeter in length. It has the transparent body. The body is covered by a thin test. It does not feed during the lifetime. That means the larval lifetime. It has the short period that is about 3 hours. So the species that have some species, it has the larval duration is about even the 24 hours one day. So it has the body. The body consists of the trunk and the tail. So the trunk has the 3 sucker-like structures. They are known as the adhesive papilla. It has the tail. Within the tail, it has the notochord. This is the peculiar characteristic features of the larva, which is surrounded by the mother cord. This is the notochord. This is the nerve cord. So the nerve cord becomes expanded to form the brain. The brain has 3 regions named anterior cerebral cone, a middle cerebral vesicle, and a posterior visceral ganglion. The cerebral vesicle encloses an autochist and 2 ocelli. The alimentary canal has the mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and the intestines, and the anus. The mouth does not open outside. It is covered by a transparent test. The pharynx bears 6 pairs of the gill slits. It opens into the atrium. What do you mean the atrium? That is the cavity which surrounds the pharynx. It opens outside by the atrial aperture. The heart is enclosed in the pericardium. It is located on the ventral side of the pharynx. So let us see the Retrogressive metamorphosis. So, Assyrian tadpole larva undergoes interesting changes during metamorphosis. The following changes occur simultaneously. The larva becomes Gram-positive and photonegative. The tail is completely lost. It is attached to the substratum in an inverted position with the help of the adhesive papilla. After attachment, the adhesive papilla are lost. The dorsal tubular nerve cord with the brain is reduced. The sense organs, the ocelli, otolith, tail, caudal fin, muscle bands, notochord, and the nerve cord is completely lost. You can see in this diagram, you can see the notochord extends in the tail, throughout the tail region, but here the tail is obtuse. So here the outer covering, this is known as the test. So this is the pharynx. The pharynx with numerous 6 pairs of the gill slits. The mouth and the atrial apertures are shifted and the intestines become smooth. The mouth is open. Pharynx and labium becomes enlarged. This is the pharynx with the atrial gill slits gill slits. So the pharynx and atrial becomes enlarged. Numerous gill slits develop. 4 ectodermal ambullae are developed for attachment. Test increases in size, in thickness. Cork is developed. Gonads are developed. So, what are the significant features of tadpole larva? The larva Assyria might have been placed in the invertebrates. The larva has important characters like the notochord and the dorsal tubular nerve. Thus, the larva proves that Assyria is a chordate. It also helpful. The free-swimming larva is very much important in the dispersal of the species. Suppose if the larva is acting actively captain, the sedentary adult does not move from place to place. So, suppose in case if the environment is polluted or any other unfavorable changes occurs in the environment, so the species of the Assyrian may be going to become extinct. So, the life history provides an excellent example for the return of sea